Hello there, friends. Welcome to Nanaba's Kitchen. Today, I'm so excited because we are presenting a sweet indulgence for a change, y'all. Yes, this recipe is inspired by our Ghanaian Kube cake, which is coconut brittle made with caramel. Now, a quick sweet fan fact. My oldest son shot this video. He's been watching his father closely and he's learned very well. And I think he caught on and shot this video, and I think it is an awesome video. So help me say thank you to my son. I'm so proud of him. So this pan is on low to medium heat, and I have poured in my cold pressed coconut oil followed by the sugar, which is regular granulated sugar, but I pulsed it a few times in the food processor just to smoothen the granules and to make for easier and quicker melting of the sugar. So there you have it. That didn't take more than 7 minutes. Now I'm adding my cream. We are making a caramel, so I add my coconut milk. That's the cream in this caramel. It is a coconut dish, so it needs to be coconut forward. Now this is lime juice followed by vanilla extract and some salt. Yes, this is a very sweet indulgence, so you want to balance that sweetness with the salt, and salt is very common in a caramel. And also that tanginess from the lime juice helps to balance all the flavors very well. So once you get your caramel all cooked and the moisture evaporates, you're going to add your non-sweetened coconut flakes. Now when you go to buy your non-sweetened coconut flakes, be extra attentive, because for some reason every shop I've been to has the non-sweetened coconut flakes right next to the sweetened, and they both look alike. So you might end up picking the sweetened one, which will just mean that your brittle will end up being too sweet. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So you want to add it and cook it for an extra 5 to 10 minutes on low heat until your coconut flakes are also caramelized. And it helps to really accentuate that coconut flavor. And then pour it out onto a non-stick surface and let it rest till it's nice and cool enough for it to be easy to handle. Okay, and then go in with your clean hands and form them into the shapes you prefer. And just look at that. Oh, the children could not wait to indulge that sweet, gooey, crunchy goodness. What a mouthful of some goodness here. Try this recipe here in Nanaba's Kitchen. It's a family affair. The children participate in the videos, the making of the videos. The babies stay quiet so that we can shoot these videos, especially the ASMR ones. So I thank you for joining the family. Try the recipe, share, make it a great day, and have fun, especially in that kitchen.